أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we are reading Idgham. Idgham, the other name is Idgham-e Yarmalum. Idgham, basically we have this rule of Noon Sakin or Noon Tanween. Noon Sakin mean Noon has a sukun sign, and Noon Tanween mean any letter has two zabar, two zay or two pesh. Basically we have four rules of Noon Sakin and Noon Tanween. First is Idhar, Idgham, Iqlab and Ikhfa. First we read Idhar. Now we are reading second rule of Noon Sakin Noon Tanween, Idgham. Idgham. Idgham meaning merging or assimilation. The meaning is merging, assimilation. And Idgham letters, we have 6 Idgham letters. The one word is Yarmalun. Yarmalun. We have 6 letters: Ya, Ra, Mim, Lam, Waw, Noon. If we memorize only one word, Yarmalun, then 6 letters we can memorize easily. Yarmalun, Ya, Ra, Mim, Lam, Waw, Noon. We have 6 letters and say 6 times. Ya, Ra, Mim, Lam, Waw, Noon. And rule is, if we have Noon Sakin or Noon Tanween and after that any letter from Idgham letters, Yarmalun, any one letter after Noon Sakin or Noon Tanween, then Noon will merge into the next letter. Only one condition: the Noon Sakin or Noon Tanween and the Idgham letter, they are not in same word. This is the condition. Meaning, if we have two words, the first word at the end is Noon Sakin or Noon Tanween, and the second word in the starting we have any Idgham letter, then it will be merged. Like here, see here is Noon Sakin and after that Ya. Ya is from here. Basically original is Man Yaqul, but after this rule we will read Man Yaqul. Man Yaqulu. Man, Noon is merging with Ya. Man Yaqulu. Man Yaqulu. Next we have Noon Sakin and after that Ra. Ra is from here. Original was Min Rabbihi, but after this rule we will read Mir Rabbihi, Mir Rabbihi, Mir Rabbihi. And next example we have Noon Sakin and after that Mim. Mim is here. Original was Min Ma. After this rule we will read Mim Ma, Mim Ma. Noon merged into the next letter Mim. Next example we have Noon Sakin and after that Lam. Lam is here. Original is Min Ladun, but after this rule we will read Mil Ladun. Mil Ladun. Next example we have Min Wal. Original is Noon Sakin and after that Waw. Waw is here. Original it was Min Wal, but after this rule we will read Mew Wal. Mew, Mew, Mew Wal. Gunna. We will do nasal passage, nasal sound. Mew Wal. And last example is Noon Sakin is here. After that Noon. Noon is here from Idgham letters. Original was In Nahnu, but after this rule we will read In Nahnu. In Nahnu. This Noon merge into the second Noon. And we will revise. We have 6 letters: Ya, Ra, Mim, Lam, Waw, Noon, Yarmalun, where we will merge the noon into the idgham letters. And after that we have two types of idgham. Two types of idgham. First is idgham with gunna. Second is idgham without gunna. Idgham with gunna and idgham without gunna. Idgham with gunna and idgham without gunna. Idgham without gunna. First is idgham without gunna. If we have ra or lam after nun sakina nuntanween, then without gunna, like we read here, see black one. Here it was the min rabbi original. After rule we merge noon into the ra. Now is mir rabbihi. Without gunna we will not do gunna, nasal passage, without the sound of nose into the nose. Mir rabbihi ra. Mir rabbihi. And lam milladun. Not milladun is wrong. Milladun is without gunna, without pulling, without nasal passage. And the second with gunna. The other ra go here, ra and lam, two letters go there, and the next we have four letters ya, mim, waw and noon. Ya, mim, waw, noon. Yamun. Ya, mim, waw, noon. Idgham with gunna. Here we'll do gunna. All see the red one, like noon sakin after the ya. Ya is here. Man yaqulu. Mimma. Miwal. In nahnu. See bottom here, two z nun tanween, after that ra. Here without gunna. Ishatir radiyah. Here nun sakin after lam without gunna. Lam yakun lahu is was original, but now we will read lam yakul lahu, no merged into the lam. Lam yakul lahu without nasal passage, without gunna. Next example, to z nun tanween, after that waw. Nafsin, waw is here, then is with gunna. Nafsin wahida. And the last example, to zabar, after that mim, and mim is from yamun with gunna. Hudam min with gunna. We have six letters of yarmalun of idgham: ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon. Yarmalun. And we have two letters ra and lam without gunna, and the other four yamun, ya, mim, waw, noon with gunna. Inshallah we will memorize this and we will read Quran with proper pronunciation. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.